You're told to find the equation of the line given below. So what are the coordinates of this point? Let's start by finding the coordinate of this point here. So this point would be, that is negative, no, not negative, but 3 and negative 3. And this point here would be, this would be negative 5 for the x and negative 5 for the y. My first point of entry is to find the slope between these 2 points. So let me lift these points and write them up here so that we can be able to work out the slope of this line. The first thing we do is work out the slope. So the point A is given by 3, negative 3, and the point B is given by negative 5, negative 5. So this would be my x. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. For my the next step is writing the formula for finding the slope, and the slope m is given by y2 subtract y1 all divided by x2 subtract x1. So let's see. Y2 is negative 5. Negative 5 subtract y1, and y1 is negative 3. Negative 3. I'll put it in parentheses just so that I don't forget. Divided by x2, which is negative 5, subtract x1, and x1 is positive 3. So what do I have? Negative 5 subtract negative 3, it will be negative 2. And negative 5 subtract 3 is negative 8. So if I simplify this, I will get 1 over 4. M is 1 over 4. Then I take one of the points. I can take either this point or this point. Doesn't matter. So let me take the point A. And then I say this is 3 and negative 3. So this will be my M. This is my X. And this is my Y. My next step is to write the formula for finding the equation of a line. That is y equal mx plus b. The reason I'm writing this is so that I find b by itself, because I have a value of y, I have a value of m, and I have a value of x. So I just want to do y is negative 3. So negative 3 equal to m. M is 1 over 4. Let me put it in parentheses and I'll explain why. Times x, and x is 3 plus b. So you see this part here? This part I will do it in my graphing calculator again. So that I bring this down, negative 3 equal, and then I do this in my graphing calculator, is 3 over 4 plus b. So to get b by itself, this becomes a one-step equation. And what I have to do is I have to subtract 3 over 4 from both sides of the equation. So I'll put my river, and then I'll subtract 3 over 4 here, and subtract 3 over 4 here. So this is subtract 3 over 4, subtract 3 over 4. How do I do this? So I get negative 15 over 4. B, let me bring it down here. So b equal to negative 15 over 4. The third step is putting all this together. So how do I put it together? Remember, the equation of a line is y equal to mx plus b. I have found b, it's right here, and I have found m, it's right here. So I'll write y equal to 1 over 4, that is m, plus b, and p is negative 15 over 4. And because you have a plus and a minus, the negative takes over. So your final answer will be y equal to negative, y equal to 1 over 4x minus 15 over 4. And that is what you plug into your book here. You say y equal to 1 divided by 4 x minus 15 divided by 4. There you go. Thank you.